Since September 2025, Notion has been shipping AI features non-stop.
Notion AI agent.
AI agent.
Notion AI.
And they are not slowing down. So the question is Notion trying to replace every AI subscription you have? It's all started with Notion 3.0 updates in September 2025. They launched AI Agent, and this is not the old AI that you just highlight text and ask it to summarize it or rewrite it. This is different. It has full control. It can edit databases for you or properties, or create new ones, create pages, or connects with other tools like Slack, and of course search the web. And on top of all that, he can do whatever ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini can do. Just ask him. If you need to write a piece of code or piece of content, he will do it. And assuming that you are using Notion, which I think you are, you don't have to go and open another tab in Chrome, paste the output from ChatGPT and go back and paste it wherever you're going to paste it in your Notion workspace. The agent will just do it directly. He will cut the path for you. Furthermore, you can create also custom instruction, which is just specific rule you can give it to the agent, so he will do it in the best way possible. And now they also introduced scale, so it might also replace these instructions. So isn't that amazing? Then earlier this year, they dropped AI image generation. No big announcements, few people only saw it, but now you can generate covers for your template, photos, or image diagrams or charts. So for example, I'm creating a cover for my template, and as you can see, I'm just writing the prompt, and yeah, here's the results. It does look amazing. Of course, it's not of the level of Midjourney. It's also slow, but I think with time it's going to be faster and better. Or here's another example which is so cool. So if you went to my game mode page here, game mode v3, which announcing soon, I can generate comic image based on the pages I have in the game mode v3. And look at the results. It's incredible. Now, this AI image generation is still not accurate 100%. Also, it's still slow and also limited, because once you generate like 7 images, it will tell you hit the max of image generation for today. So you have to wait. I don't know, I've waited 24 hours to do it again. So yeah, I think they should fix that as well. And then they dropped the big one, the custom AI agent. They've been talking about it a lot in the past few months, and I had the chance to test it out before it's even officially launched. So I've also made a video about it. You can check it out. Now, do you remember the first AI agent they introduced on Notion 3.0? Now, the same agent now can work automatically without asking him each time. So only what you have to do is set a trigger. This trigger can be daily, like at 8 a.m. every single day, or twice a day, or 3 times a day, whatever, or at the end of the week. Or the trigger can be also an action, like whenever a page added to a database, or when a status from to-do to done switched in your to-do page, or for example, when a checkbox is checked. Also, there is some triggers related to Slack, Notion Mail, and Notion Meeting. Then you give him an instruction, what he's going to do once the trigger hits. So for example, let's check this example that I built, morning briefing, and you can download it for free in the description below. So what this morning briefing actually do, every single day at 6 a.m., he's going to check your yesterday actions, like tasks, journal, good habits or bad habits, or if just have general habits, and any daily action you have, and he's going to calculate the progress, 18%, 19%, whatever your accomplishment progress was. Or check this out, which is so amazing, my NPC for the game mode. So I've built a non-player character, just any NPC you see in other RPG games. And I think the custom AI agents panel came in the right time, because I need it. I need something. I need to build this NPC for my game mode. And check this out. It's just react like any NPC in other games. It adds a story to the game. It helps you. It guides you. And it's just incredible. You will see more about game mode once it's launched. And let's not forget also AI Notes Meeting they introduced, and a bunch of other AI features. Now, let's sit back and see what's happening. Notion is giving you AI image generation, AI that can interact with your entire workspace, ask him anything, he will answer, and AI that can work in your behalf. And let's not forget also how easy to switch between models like GPT 5.2, Claude, Gemini. So Notion is trying to build an app that you never need to leave. You don't have to go to ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini. And here's the thing, I will not be surprised one day if they introduce their own AI model. And if they did, this is going to be incredible. Now, I have one last note for the Notion team. I think they are shipping features so fast that as the creators and the regular user, we can't keep up with them. So I think whenever they ship a feature, they should give themselves time as the creators to explain it to the regular users. That's it. Notion is trying to keep their first headline all in one. And I think they're still working toward that. See you in the next one.